My name is Justin, and this summer I'll be doing astronomy research with Drs. Hay and O'Neill at the PLU Keck Observatory. And we'll be taking a look at Saturn, specifically the rings of Saturn. Have you ever looked through a telescope at Saturn before? If you haven't, I highly recommend it. It's what made me fall in love with astronomy, actually. But I had all kinds of questions when I first looked at it. Where did these rings come from? What are they made of? Are they just kind of giant hula hoops that go around the planet? Well, actually, there are thousands and thousands of particles of dust and ice that go around in these rings, almost like tiny little moons. But what are some of the properties of all these rings? Can we see through the rings? If you were to put a ring in front of Saturn, would you be able to see through it? In other words, how dense are these rings and how close together are these particles? This is a question I hope to answer this summer by comparing the brightness along the rings as you change angles from the planet. This will hopefully tell us more information about how long the rings will last, what the rings are made of, and how close together these particles are.